Hello, I'm Regine C. Soliman from Malolos Lending Center. What I love about Ms. Tony's training is that she has provided us the me time in which we were able to analyze ourselves and at the same time be able to reflect on our personal etiquette and the way we project ourselves as part of the executive presence.
The theories, the principles, coupled with her experience, influences me a
Was
lot.
able to help me realize that before you can look good, you have to feel good
It's
first.
very engaging with practical insights, making the learning more enjoyable, teaching us on how to elevate our professional image and improve our executive presence.
It's a great opportunity for us to step back, to reflect, be mindful, and be more aware of the leader that we ought to be and the leader that we intend to be.
Helps me define the leadership branding and the executive presence that I must possess.
Intentionality to develop and communicate executive presence, or how to live and act on purpose and not by habit. This also realign again the real me, my inner good character and etiquette.